Ishint بسلٹن لرننگ سنٹر مچ موسم هو رنگو شي ترویم ایچونا ادا اشین سه کمپس سه اسکول یکی من نزدیکترین اسکول هم ده اشونی سی ای او هم ده همی بلڈنگ تنیندی تو مرچی ما روان پیسره درستن چه ساری اما سی ای او جنده کر آئی کمو گپوال کنو گڈ مارننگ تو پدا گڈ مارننگ تو پدا اسی چی بعد روان کلاس ہنی تھا.
Sure. So we have a early childhood education center. We actually have, and they have been in operation for a total of 13 years. However, the history started prior to that from my mother, who has had childcare programs actually going on 40 years. So we are really an extension of the history of what she had created, and our focus is on early childhood education, educating children, nurturing children, supporting families, and working with the community. So that is our mission, and we literally work on that each day, and everything that we do is based on that mission.
پنسلوانیا تها زھگانی بنداتی ایجوکیشن بزا فارمل ایجوکیشن شا پری اسکول شروع بھی پری اسکول کے نرسری اسکول نامہ ہوں زانک بھی پری اسکول تها 6 سالہ چے بغیر تاکہ 5 سالے گونڈوانا وانینا اصلا پری اسکول مقصد گونڈوانا پا پرائمری اسکول ہاترہ تیار کنگیں کہ اسی تها زھگانی اسکل آئینی حساب الفابٹ اور زھگانا socialize community.
We have different funding sources, meaning a few different ways that families and children can become a part of the program. Most of them are dependent on income. We do serve what is considered a at-risk, if you will, not because it is determining the future or the opportunities that children and families could be afforded later. However, at this time, for example, we have Head Start, the federal Head Start program, and we're partnered with the School District of Philadelphia. Yeah. So families have particular criteria that they have to fit, and they complete the application. We ensure that they qualify for them. And a lot of it is based on income or current circumstances to help prevent children and families from remaining at risk, if you will. So that's one way. We also have the City of Philadelphia funding, Philly Pre-K.
Yes. So besara gwandu kishoti kisa kaya school guda eda bindata drusna chesari rawan 10 shoda 10 shoda ke pad ran is ana nashta kana hina. What is this? You know? Wow, you great, nice job. Good? کلاسانی تها بی پی آپریٹرز ترمامیٹر و میڈیکل کٹا عبید ایدگا شعبہانی ڈاکٹر سائنسدان ٹیچر مزدور فائرمین دہانی کٹ اوزار ایران گونڈوانا ہمیشہ نام اور کاراں تیل دیں ہوں. ادا گونڈونی وقتا ہمیں یونیفارم ہے ایران کہ ہمارا کمیونٹی ورکر نہیں کر کے کاراں ہیں کہ مزدور ہے یا کہ پولیس مین ہے کہ ٹریفک کا کاراں ہیں یا کہ ایک جیلر ہیں یا ڈاکٹر انجینئر ہماری یونیفارم آ رہا ہمارے ارد گرد چپ چاگر دکھے میں نے کیسے تھا اچھی اس کے کار بندک باں فرض کر کچن ہے کچن دیتا ہے شن کرنا ٹولس ایران کے ونڈو کا آیا چھے کجام ٹول لڑو چھے جوڑ کرنا.
I'm a construction worker. I'm a construction worker. I want to be an astronaut. I want to be a chef. I'm be a vet.
یہ میتھ سنٹر ہیں میتھ سنٹر تہ میتھ دراہیں اوزار یا ٹول ایرا اداہوں ونڈوانا گشد نبی کہ کجام کلاس ہے کجام سیکشن ہے برو کلاس یقین ہے چشکن پہ کرے وہ ونڈو وات کنا وات پٹا وات وتی جاگہ درگہ جائیں کہ میتھ سیکشن رو کہ مطلب سائنس سنٹر ہوتے ہیں کہ بلاک ایریا ہوتے ہیں ان بلاک ایریا تے ونڈو باز ہیں جب شارگے کہ بلاک ایریا کا ادھر علاقہ ہے ہمیں لائف زندگی تہ چیزیں پتلا ہوں یہ مثلاً ٹریفک کے قانون روڈا چوں پار کرنا سڑک کا چوں پار کرنا ٹرین سڑک کا چوں پار کرنا یا ہمیں ان ٹولس کے زندگی کے ہفتے کے چپ چاور دیشنی طرف انسان کا یہ شنی ماحول تھا سوسائٹی تھا یا چاگر دیتا ہر چیز کے ہنستا عام زندگی تک گنتا اور ای سیکشن ہما یعنی بلاک ایریا اگر ایشنی یہ ونڈو ہم سب کے سامنے ہے جو کرتا ہے یہ ریل ہے اوپر چلی ہے ریل ہے وہ ادھر چاہ رہے کہ یہ ونڈو ان جتا جتا انسان کے لفظ ریل کراسنگ ہے کچھ ہارس رائڈنگ ہے بائک روٹ ہے اسپیڈ لمٹ ہے نو انٹر انسان ہے یہ تینوں 5 سال گھنٹوں بھی ادھر ادھا تھا کہ انہوں ایک سائن ڈو ناٹ انٹر ادھا مختلف ہیں ہمیں لائف اور ڈے کی زندگی تھا کہ تو چپ چاگر دے گندش اس کے تو چوں زندگی دے ہمایاں ادھا آوانی ٹولز ہیں یہ اور یہ ونڈو ہمیشہ چاروں تو ساتھ دوں یہ دیکھیے آئیے
Go ahead. What is this? Eyes are watching.
Nature and animals, and we have lots of toys here about animals. So what animal is this, Daniel? What is this?
Fish.
It's a fish. Good job. We have
Yep.
magnets and
See, we have
magnets
animals.
and rocks. You? Where you guys can play and dress up and pretend.
My friends, this is kitchen center. You have everything in the kitchen center, and you can play with different. You can make food.
یہ اسکول لاتے گنڈو کہ فائن موٹر اسکلز کہ شروشان کے گنڈو دستا کینچی دیں کاغذ دیں کہ چن دلنکو کا نہیں تھا چنچو گرفت تھا یا چنچو کاٹ کرنے کے سنی انرجی اس نے کہ وہ مہونا رہا چنچو کا کاربن کو طرح کی آنے چیز کے دیں کہ اس کاٹ کر جس پہ کاغذ میں زورا کاٹ کنان کنن دے دور دیں اس میں اسکلز چاہ رکھ ہوئے ہیں کٹنگ کے لنکو کا نہیں گرفتے دماغ کی کنسنٹریشن ہے انچونے
center do we play in that starts with the letter B?
Block center.
Block center. Good job.
Good job.
Reach for the sky and touch your toes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make it. We'll work that way. Ready? And twist. 1, 2, twist it. 3.
How many types of preschooling are available for families?
The different funding sources. I would say that's really the only difference. Really, funding sources. However, I like to not identify the preschool slots or even the other slots that we have. I don't believe that you should be able to know a family or a child's income. So if they're in a classroom, they're in a classroom. So right now they are separated based on age group. So at this location we have young toddlers, 1-year-olds, then we have a 2-year-old class, and then we have blended preschool classes where they're 3 and 4 years old. So that's pretty much the difference that anyone else could see. We just know behind the scenes how their slots are paid for.
You told me about
What song is this? I didn't
It's fly. Big.
No.
Bingo! 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 Bingo!
Niño, duérmete solito.
اسپینش امریکہ ہے سیکنڈ لینگویج بزاں دومی زبان ہے پمیش کا کتابانی تھا بعض نظم اسپینش زبان آیا.
Duérmete mi sol, duerme de pedazo de mi corazón.
Usually we sanitize once a week, so every Friday each and every toy in the classroom will get sanitized one by one. This week, because we have a lot of kids getting sick, we're going to sanitize them almost every day.
ہفتہ کے تحت دوران یک ٹرینر کہتے ہیں کہ گنڈوانا جسمانی و دماغی ورزش کنائنی. دماغی ورزش بزاں یوگا وحداں کلاس ٹیچر کلاس لائٹاں بند کاں و بیک گراؤنڈ یک ہلکا میوزک پلے کاں بلکہ اسکول دوران ایکٹیویٹیز انی بیک گراؤنڈ میوزک علمی باہر رہی.
I like that light too. That's a nice light. Turn it this way. Grab and pull back. Stretch. Lift. Take it down. Bring the arms up. Grab the hands. Push up as far as you can and take your arms behind your head, behind your ears, and push up. Good job. Behind your ears and push up. Bring it down slowly. Opposite hand.
Bless you.
Around.
Move up, friends. Move up. Eso, vamos, Hazel. Eso, mamá. Eso, vamos first. Eso, mamá. Eso, vamos, María.
Dual language learners?
Yeah.
So, very interesting question. That's something really new for us. Of course, we primarily speak English. So what we do is we do try to employ as many staff as possible who speak other languages so that we're able to create connections with the children and the families. However, the difficulty is in excelling in Philadelphia schools, primarily you have to understand and be able to read, so literacy is huge. So we do embrace children and families when they come in based on the language that they learn. However, our focus is by the time they leave, they should know 10 different letters, be able to identify 10 different letters, and be able to identify sounds. So that is the foundation for them to be able to read. And so that's where we pretty much focus. However, it's really about providing the tools to help them be as successful as possible without taken away from their native language. So literacy is huge. We also have Blueprint for Literacy curriculum where we focus on allowing children to learn phonemic awareness and be able to again identify letters and sounds.
روچانی درگت گنڈوانی ورگ اسکیجول کنک بوتگاں ہموک روچ گنڈوانی دگے دگے ورگواں بلے ہما گنڈو کے مذہبی کنسپٹ سرا سور گوشت یا کہ گو کے گوشت ناوراں गुड़ा आयना बिजा रिप्लेसमेंट माही या कि चिकन या कि चीज़ और वरा गुड़ा आयना हम दूनी वरग देग भी चुना है ये मुल्क सेहत के मामले तरह या बाज़ हसास नाजुक के हमेश के ई मगर बाज़ दिलगोश वर कनक भी हम गंडू के डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हुए शीरानी हवाले के रेगुलर शीर नवरा गुड़ा आयनी हम डॉक्टर दात के नुस्खे शीर स्कूल दयक बाम
Let's see who's next. Damn. Damn. Go ahead. Right.
It's on the table. We get a napkin.
नहाने वरक अबजाम लंच करने के बाद रेस्टोरेंट में वाशरूम के बाद पता कहाँ 1 बजे अमेरिका मतलब स्कूल टाइम था 1 बजे तक 2 बजे इशनी द बस बगे टाइम है इशनी बेड जोड़ करना पड़ता है फिश अनुवार तो वाशरूम के बाद पता कहाँ थे घंटे वस्पा के बाद 2 बजे बाद का 2 बजे पता स्नैक्स टाइम भी स्नैक्स थे थोड़ा सा 2-5 तक या तक 2 नहीं वापस शनि मासपेस फैमिली मर्दों का शनि रंदा अन्य लाने सर उस्ताद होता इधर बाथरूम वाशरूम ये घंटों कंबल जगह कि वस्पा टीम का ऐसे कंबल दे हर किसी नाम लिख के तफस के सरीन क्रैश अली इधर वती कंबल या बेड हर चीज़ के औजार अंत वस्पगे तो पता उठी जाता है You don't want to sleep?
I like.
You like sleep?
Yeah.
Good. Go to sleep.
After we are sleeping, Miss Anaya's gonna put the song on. Okay? Yeah, because it was playing on my phone. I wanted to play from my iPhone.
नेवरोचे वरगाचे बाद पता गुंडवाना लंच कनगाचे बाद पता शबर वाशरूमाचे कि वापस का फारिग में शनि बेड दादा जतगंत घंटे वस्पा के पता बाद का गुड़ा पदेशना कसाना स्नैक्स दे लाइट वरा का चौल का फुल्का गुड़ा इशे बाद पदेशन मास्को सरंदा का बल्लाते गुंडो वस्पी लाते न वस्पी दो चाइनी था मैंने कशा वक्त बोले ये मन खेला वाह नहीं चीटिंग करना गए इशिनवाना दिसता वाव नहीं बोले जोर उतरा वाव भी करते चाय नहीं देना He's not sleeping.
I know.
Yeah.
Siobhan never takes a nap.
Yeah, he's cheating.
Watch your hat.
वाव नहीं बोले मना लेकिन जो क्वेश्चन वो आप दोस्त भी खाओ तो वाव भी करता है ये दो चाय नहीं था ये ओदे
Special needs.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what we do is it's called Ages and Stages. That's a questionnaire. It's a screening that happens within 45 days of a child's start. So we take an assessment to see where they are cognitively as well as social emotional. And there's a cutoff on these assessments where it says there may be some concerns, but that could mean a number of different things. You could have children who have never been in a group setting before. They may speak another language, or they may have some special needs. So what we do is we give it an additional 30 days to see if they get acclimated to the program and the environment. And if we still see that they need additional supports, then we reach out to external supports, early intervention through Elwin. And then we partner with them and our special needs coordinator. That is partnered with the School District of Philadelphia, and we partner with the families as well to get the child what the additional supports that they need. And that may be language, that may be it may be physical therapy.
Yeah.
It could also be instruction based on cognitive needs.
The social, emotional.
Social emotional as well. Yes, social emotional as well. They actually have what's called mental health consultants, and basically they also, though, they do come in, they check to see if the child needs additional supports as well as the teachers. Sometimes the teachers or the environment needs additional supports to help meet the needs of the child. So some of these things, and early intervention is extremely important, because the sooner that they get these supports, then it could help them pretty much get what it is that they need to be able to be successful in learning.
Okay. Can you find letter C? Letter C. C, C. Oh, you found it. Yes, yes. You need this? Chocolate? No. Okay. So we need money, okay? To buy chocolate, we need money. Do you have money? I have money. You want Marisa? Chocolate? You want? Cheetos? Okay, okay. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Okay, okay.
What's the screening? How many times you do screening?
So the screening is done once upon their entry into the program. So that is done within the first 45 days. So the purpose is to find out early so that we can see what supports are needed. That is the screening. Like, doctors actually do the same screening. When you take your child to the doctor, they ask, are they doing these particular tasks? Just so that they can find out if they are developing according to their age. If they are not, then what we do is we continue to do child observations anyway. So that's another type of screening, if you will. So we observe them, we do different assessments, and not like a test, right? So the things that they do in the classroom is what we consider they learn through play. So teachers set up different activities, and they see if the child is developing according to their age group. And if they are not, then we either adjust those activities to see if, maybe it was too advanced, maybe not advanced enough. However, if it shows that they need some additional direct support, maybe based on their language or based on their cognitive abilities or based on their gross motor, their body needs, like their hands, feet, physical therapy type needs, then again, we partner with the early intervention program, and that child gets, they get individual plans set according to what it is that they need, and they get that one-on-one.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me time.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too.
इधर स्कूल दो टाइम है नाश्ता ब्रेकफास्ट ಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದೇ और ಪದ ಲಂಚ್ ಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಹಮಿದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೈ ಕಿಚನ್ ಐಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬೈ ಕಿಚನ್ ಇತ್ತ ಚೇಚಿ ಅಸ್ಮೆ ಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Hi, Miss Alinda. I'm Baloch from Balochistan. I'm taking some videos of your kitchen, if you don't mind. Okay,
no problem.
And
Sometimes I order
breakfast
breakfast,
and
lunch, and snack.
Oh, snack also.
Snack also.
It means 3 times, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Naya,
Alrighty.
thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
helping me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
No
see you
problem.
again. Thank you. Hi.
Hi, how
That is Miss
I'm
KT.
good. It's Katie.
Nice to meet you.
Me too. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Too.